Hello there, it's Derek and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you how you're going to be able to view or watch someone's WhatsApp status without making them know. So first of all, when you look on my screen, you're going to see two WhatsApps right here, and this is because I just want to show you how this is going to work when you watch someone's status after activating this trick. Okay, so this is compatible for both Android and iOS. So if you are an iOS user or an Android user, I got you covered in this video. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on this WhatsApp right here, which is my WhatsApp business, and I'm just going to tap on this side and then create a new WhatsApp status. So let me say hello there, right? And I'm going to update it right away. So you see hello there right away, and no one has viewed it yet. And my name on this phone right here, the one on the left on this number, is D. So I'm just going to tap on D, and then I open it, and then I'm going to go to my status section, and we are going to see right here, so Stitches hello there. I'm just going to see it right here, and I'm going to reply yo fam. So I'm going to reply, and I'm going to get a notification right here, and I'll go into this WhatsApp business, and you guys can see it right here, hello there yo fam. So I'm going to tap on it, and it's going to show viewed by me, right? So viewed by me by D. When I go to my, I just want to show you my DP so that you guys would see it's me. Let me show you my DP. Let's go to profile so you guys can see it's me. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my WhatsApp business and then update a new status. So I'm just going to type in WhatsApp there, and with this one I'm going to activate a trick. So you guys can still see it's just me, and then when we go to this one, no one has viewed yet. So with this one, I'm just going to activate the trick before I watch this status, and you're going to see how it works. So I'm going to go to my normal WhatsApp, and I open it, and when we go to our status, we are going to see WhatsApp there. You see I have not watched it yet. And what you're going to do is you go to your settings, your three dots right here. If you're using an Android, if you're using an iPhone, you go to your settings, and then you come to account, and then you come to privacy. So when you come to privacy, you're going to scroll through and see if you're going to see read receipts or read receipts, and then you tap on this and then you turn it off. Afterwards, you go back to your WhatsApp status, and then you open the status like this, and I'm gonna reply yo man. Okay, so I'm gonna get a notification right away, and you guys are gonna see, so you see I've replied yo man. So let me tap on it, and you guys are gonna see no one has viewed yet. I'm gonna go back to the status again, and you guys would see I viewed it, I replied, but no one has viewed yet. So you see, you guys can see right here, no views yet. So when we come here, you can still see I replied this message. You guys can see I replied this message right here, but when we go to the WhatsApp status, it shows no one has viewed yet. So that is how you just activate this trick, and then you check it out, and it's gonna make you watch a lot of statuses without making them know. So I can watch everything right here, and no one will know I watched their status. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share to anyone you think this is gonna be helpful to them. And without further ado, I'm just gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.